Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be meal prepping for my son. He's going into his senior year of high school, so he's starting back with football training and all of that jazz. So he wanted some protein meals, so I'm going to do that today. Just with some chicken, kale, some fruits, yogurts. Here I have my kale soaking in a salt, vinegar, and water solution. I took off all of the stems and cut the kale into small pieces. I'm going to let it soak and then I'll rinse it 3 to 4 times to get it ready for the pot. I also add onion into the pot and also chicken stock, smoked turkey, garlic powder, onion powder, and then salt and pepper to taste. I'll let that cook for about a good hour, hour and a half, but it's up to your preference. And then here I have my lemon pepper chicken, and then I also have ranch chicken, and then I'm just going to put those in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is tender. And then after everything is finished cooking, I'll go ahead and start filling up each container. I would like to send a big shout out to the first 2 people that watched and commented on my video last week. And they are LWolve Music, hi Kennedy, and Lam Xi Pho. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Their channel links will be in my description box below. Thank you. Okay, so meal prep is done. So a few of the containers have lemon pepper chicken, and then the other containers have ranch chicken, and then just rice with vegetables, and then some kale. So I did 5 containers. So my husband picked up some of this Nesquik protein drink. And it's a milk beverage, so I'm not sure if he's gonna like that. He said he's gonna like it, but he doesn't like milk, so whatever. But it has 23 grams of protein in it. And then the 2 good yogurts. He did try one of mine and he liked them. He only tried the strawberry though, so he liked it. So I cut up some strawberries and blueberries for him. And then I just sliced up some oranges and then washed some grapes for him and put those in a sandwich bag. So I'll put the tops on these and get everything put away in the refrigerator, but that's it. He's all ready for the week.